Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Garland 53001 replacement mallet handle. And this video is to simply serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. This is going to be a hardwood species of lumber. It may be hickory or maybe ash. They don't indicate, they just indicate that it is wood. It is certainly a hardwood species. Okay, 11 inch is the overall length that they have. Let's take a look. Indeed, spot on at 11 inch. Take a couple of other dimensional properties to be able to help you determine if this handle will fit on what you're doing with it. Overall thickness, 0.5, depending on where you hold it, it tapers. It goes from about 0.49, 0.485 here, down to 0.628 down here. An overall width appears to taper as well, but it's about 0.933 wide. Okay. Has a coating of lacquer on it, or sealant. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Garland products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Garland 53001 replacement mallet handle or any other Garland product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.